There are a lot of ways to make money online, and most of these ways have made people millionaires. Yes, that's right. You can literally make thousands of dollars in a day and hundreds of thousands in a week using these platforms with a few guides from videos like this. You don't need any specific skill or professional training. Even as a beginner, you can still make a lot of money from this site. You don't need to start up cash. Just follow the instructions here and you'll make enough to give you enough courage to quit that 9-to-5 job that you might have right now. And in today's video, we'll explore a new site from which you can earn free PayPal money with no stress. The information and the lessons I will give in this video are new, and as such, if you hop on the train now, you will be able to select a comfortable seat for yourself. All you need to do is follow the instructions and make sure to have a mobile phone, tablet or laptop handy so you can use this platform anywhere, which means that you can make money anywhere you like. You could be in your bathroom, on your bedroom, on the restaurant, and the theme park, anywhere. There is no limit to where you can make money from this new site. But before we go into today's video, thank you for choosing our channel. If you are new here and would like to stick around and make us your go channel, all you need to do is click on the link to subscribe button and the bell icon to turn the notifications on, because we post videos daily. So this way you can be one of the first ones to benefit from the strategies. So with all that said, let's begin. Let's go into today's website and let's start today's strategy. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money from this platform just by helping other people to gain followers. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is I want you to come to uplift.com. So uplift.com is a trusted website where you can buy Instagram followers to help to grow your account much faster. So this process will be as simple as copy and paste, and as you can see here, is backed up by big brands like Forbes, New York Post, BuzzFeed, Product Hunt, Online Genius, and so on. So don't worry, you won't have to create an Instagram account. You won't have to do to create the Instagram account to grow the followers for yourself. All you need to do is just come to this website, and then I'm going to have a read at some of the advantages that the website has got, so it will help you to get more followers, no password, fast and it has got a good customer support in case you have any other questions, right? So you will see different testimonials as you scroll down, and the idea is like there are so many businesses that they struggle to grow the Instagram account. So with this software, you are going to be able to assist them with it. Okay, so as you can see, there are premium followers, different packages, standard followers, premium followers. So the most compact will be this, which will be 500 followers, where you're gonna be getting a 30% for each of the sales that you get. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is you need to partner up with this website. And how you going to do this? So you will come to the bottom of the website. You can see all the different testimonies and experience from other people, and then I want you to look for affiliate program. Let's see affiliates here. Okay, once that you click on affiliates, it's gonna tell you more about their affiliate program. To join with them is free, and then once that you join with them and they accept you, they're gonna generate a custom URL that you can share everywhere in the net. With this URL, you're gonna be able to track the earnings, and then you're gonna be able to get paid. As I said, it will deliver you a 30% commission for every order that they place in Uplift. Okay, so it's very easy. The only thing you need to do is just come, sign up for the affiliate program, and then you can see that you can start making money right away by helping other people to get traffic to the Instagram and grow their followers. So I say as well that this process is gonna be as simple as copy and paste, and you can start making money. So you will become an affiliate today. You will sign up all these steps, fill out all the information it asks you for, and once that you are accepted with the affiliate program, you can start to get paid right away. Okay, so I want you to go to, I've created this in Google Docs for you, so you can actually utilize it, and then this is how you could engage with different people in different platforms so they can sign up with your affiliate link. So you can as simple as copy and paste this. So it will be, what it says is, have you ever wondered what people who gain a lot of Instagram followers do differently? So that question is gonna trigger some type of okay, I want to know more about this, and then you're gonna go on by saying the join, then join engagement groups. While it might be tempting to join the biggest Instagram engagement groups, the truth is that sticking to your niche will provide you with a more targeted and a more list of Instagram followers. So this strategy will be great for entrepreneurs who are just learning how to obtain Instagram followers. So with this message, you're gonna speak with people at their level of entrepreneurs that they're looking to grow the Instagram account, and then you can put here, check out my first recommendation for growing your Instagram followers. Okay, and if you wish, you can as well add additionally, here you will put your affiliate link and people will buy from you. When they click on that link, you are going to get paid. But additionally, you could add different tips, that you could do some research online and put different tips on how to grow your Instagram account. And the reason why I say this is because once that you provide value, the chances of people sign up are gonna be much greater, because if they see that you're already providing valuable information, they're gonna be like, oh wow, this is good, so why I'm not gonna check out this? So once that they click on it, they will come to this website, like I said, Applet, and they will see how beneficial is this software for them, and they will see, okay, this is now a no-brainer, and they will start to use it. And the good thing about this is like you will get paid on the monthly basis. So this is recurring income. So as soon as you have 500 people, like you could be getting more than $1,000 per month if they select the premium plan. Okay, so if they're looking to grow the Instagram account and they can find a software that does it for them, it will be no-brainer. There will be no other option for them to join, because that will be the best decision for them to do. So once that you have this script that you're gonna share with people, once that you interact with them, remember you can put different tips on how to go on the Instagram. That will be even better. I want you to come to a website that is called Quora. Okay, and then in Quora, it's a question and answer website where people ask questions and then you are able to respond to each of the questions. Okay, so if you look for Instagram, you're gonna see a lot of threads, a lot of questions that people are posting. You click on questions and then you will see all the different answers and so on, and this way you can interact with people and then just share the script with them. And then, as I say, like they actually looking to get Instagram followers. So once they read this, they're gonna be intrigued and they're gonna click on the link. If they sign up with the platform, then you will start getting paid. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it, if you go into actually groups, and then if you look for groups, you will go into Instagram groups, and then you look for groups. And as you can see, you need to just check that the group is not spammy, but there are so many different groups where people are actually looking for followers. So if you can help them by referring a software that actually is legit and it works 100%, then they will really appreciate you and they will sign up with your link. So we'll advise you to do is to go through all the different groups and then interact with people. Has got 22,000 members, 98,000 members. So people in these groups, they're actively looking on how to grow the Instagram. So you can share the tips and then you can share the software that is going to actually help them to do this. Okay, so this is some ways that you can get traffic. As I say, you can come to Facebook groups, you can copy and paste this script that I created for you, and the same for Quora. Another option, if you go to Fiverr and you click on Quora, you can actually get people that they will promote your links in different parts of Quora. You could even get someone part-time to be doing this for you. You know, here they will teach you a secret to growing on Quora or Medium. So it has got 33 reviews, so you can gonna look for people that have got a proven track record doing this, and then you could get someone possibly part-time to be doing this for you. Okay, and once that they're doing that, you're gonna be getting traffic to your link. Once that you get traffic to your links, people are going to pay you once they click on the link. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. I wanted to share this software with you because it will be very valuable if you sign up with it, and then there is plenty of people looking to grow the Instagram's account. So I will really encourage you to go sign up and start getting profits as well. So make sure that you don't miss out, and make sure that you are you're doing all your best to start to do and promote this type of software consistently, so you can get paid. You'll get paid on time every single time, and then any questions you can come to support, and they will answer your questions. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you enjoy. If you found this strategy very valuable or valuable at all, I hope that you leave a massive like and subscribe to the channel, because this will really help the channel to keep growing and be able to find the latest information on digital marketing, where you can make money from the comfort of your home and deserve and get the profits that you deserve and get the income that you always wanted, so you can have freedom to be able to do everything you do. And guys, if you're looking for alternative ways on how to make money online, I have left a link into the first link in the description, where you can click on it and find more. You will get a free guideline of how you can start your own business from today and start making affiliate commissions. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I will see you very, very soon. So take care now.